ever get a chance to redraft the Indian Constitution, how would you do it and why?
How did Ambedkar shape India's democratic framework?
Sir, may I know your opinion on how the education system in India can be improved?
How can the Constitution of India intervene in the problem of climate change?
Should the government or the constitution provide the retirement benefits for the private and non-private?
If you had a chance to draft your new bill, the constitution, how would you help from your side?
Any changes required to serve the justice arrive soon? Happy Republic Day.
Thank you.
As a businesswoman, if you ever get a chance to redraft the Indian Constitution, how would you do it and why?
I would bring the changes like including a comprehensive digital governance in the constitution, promoting transparency, digital governance, and why? Because as businesses and governance become increasingly digital, the constitutional provisions for data protection and digital accountability are essential.
The influencer of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar on Indian constitution, how did Ambedkar shape India's democratic framework?
He ensured that the constitution provided safeguards against discrimination which was based on caste, religion, gender or race, including provisions such as Article 15 which was based on the discrimination and Article 17 which aimed at abolishment of untouchability. He further added that it should be recognized, so the social democracy must be accompanied with the economic democracy.
Sir, may I know your opinion on how the education system in India can be improved?
As of now, that if we see that Indian education system, it is going well. I think according to my opinion, I would say that the uniformity of education would be better, and that helps the students and faculty fraternity to serve the students as well.
How can the Constitution of India intervene in the problem of climate change?
The Constitution of India can intervene in climate change by recognizing the right to the clean environment and by holding the state accountable for the climate action. I guess we already have many provisions like Article 21 which talks about the right of life and a person's liberty, which includes the right to the clean environment. And we also have the Article 14 which talks about equality before the law and the equal protection of law, which includes the right to be protected from adverse effects of climate change.
Should the government or the constitution provide the retirement benefits for the private and non-private teaching staff and professors, ma'am?
Yes, I feel that government have to provide retirement benefits for both, private and government organization, because, like we are independent all through. And after retirement, we don't want to be dependent on others. So we still want to continue to be independent. So I feel the retirement benefits will be helpful for the people because, they get aged as well, and then it will be great.
If you had a chance to draft your new bill, the constitution, how would you help from your side?
Since majority of citizens of our country are middle class or family driven, so the economy is directly dependent or independent on them. So apart from the working class, I would draft a new bill which would help the government should help the retired people in the terms of healthcare, in the terms of their housing. So it directly helps the middle house family for their house growth and the growth of development as well.
In the context of law and other investigative agencies, any changes required to serve the justice arrive soon?
Not much changes are required, but giving complete power to the investigative agency will definitely make us ensure that we have a smooth and faster time in recovering justice.
We wish you all happy